Have you ever looked at a stunning quilt and thought, I wish I could make something like that, but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you've tried quilting before and felt overwhelmed by the process. I'm Ruth, and I've helped quilters from all over the world create beautiful, high quality quilts using a proven method that breaks down the process into manageable steps. And I can help you too. I know the frustration of feeling stuck, whether it's trying to get your seams to sit flat or just the sheer scale of a quilt making process. It's easy to get overwhelmed by all the steps involved or to feel like you aren't quite where you want to be. Maybe you've tried following tutorials, piecing together different patterns, but something's always missing. You're not alone. I created my creative piecework class because I've had so many quilters ask for help. I get it. There are so many reasons to hesitate. Maybe you don't have enough time, or maybe you're unsure whether you have the right tools or experience. You might be thinking, I can't commit to a huge project right now. Or what if I make mistakes? That's exactly why I developed my creative piecework class. I take my most popular design, the flowering gum quilt, and walk you through the entire process from start to finish. But here's the thing, I've created a system that breaks down even a big project like this into small, manageable steps. You'll learn how to create stunning piecework quilts by focusing on one block or one section at a time. I guide you through fabric selection, cutting, stitching, and even tricky things like partial seams with crystal clear instructions and video demonstrations. And the best part, the system you learn in this class doesn't just apply to the flowering gum quilt. Once you've mastered these techniques, you'll be able to apply them to all my other quilt patterns. So you will have the confidence to take on those future projects with ease. And if you ever get stuck, I'm right here with you. The class includes a dedicated troubleshooting section, and you can also connect with me and other students in our class Facebook group. And the best part, you can revisit the video demonstrations as often as you need. This isn't just another pattern or quilt tutorial. This is a proven system to help you create beautiful professional quilts with confidence, no matter your experience level. So whether you're a beginner looking for the right place to start or a seasoned quilter ready to take on a new challenge, I invite you to join my creative piecework class. With over 90 minutes of in-depth video lessons, downloadable patterns, and a workbook to guide you, you'll have everything you need to succeed. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start creating quilts that you're proud of, click the link below and join me in creative piecework today.